Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to install a nozzle on a PV3 pop-up head made by Paramount. Alright, and we're back. So today we have a Paramount PV3 pop-up head and we've got a nozzle. So as you can see here, the older nozzles, they used to snap on, so you would actually put this thing on there and press it on and it would snap in. And they were like dang near impossible to get off. So Paramount, luckily, thankfully, has redesigned their pop-up heads to a twist lock nozzle. So what you need for this is you need your Paramount pop-up head installation and removal tool. And that's the only part you're gonna need to put these nozzles on. So as you can see on the bottom of this pop-up head, there's these 4 tabs. And those 4 tabs, thankfully, awesomely, go into the little grooves here in the bottom, and it sits in the pop-up head. And that's what gets you your torque on here, so you can slide your pop-up head in. And then what you're gonna do, because these are called twist lock nozzles, so then you just twist and it actually clips right into place. And what's going on here is this literally locks in the bottom of the head, so that way you can twist it. So let me take it apart and show you what happens if you don't do that. Because if you don't, you're gonna twist it on there and it just spins. You don't have a good grip because it hurts your hands when you try to do this by hand. So if you just use the tool, lock it into place, works out great. These come in 3 different sizes, so whichever one works for your pool, go ahead and use it, but now they're completely interchangeable, which is fantastic. However, the twist lock nozzles do not work on the old snap-in pop-up heads. So I was told that they're gonna slowly discontinue the snap-in pop-up heads and the nozzles. So if you do have the old snap-ins, you gotta buy a new head. But this is how you install the new nozzles, and they're retrofittable, and they're also serviceable. So if you need to change out nozzles over the years, or if a nozzle breaks, just turn it on and off. Pretty cool, pretty easy. Thank you Paramount for upgrading your guys' heads. It makes installations a lot easier. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.